Ladies and gentlemen, up next, we have a very talented singer, Miss Geeta Shri, also known as the Bodoland Shakira. And now, as promised earlier, she will be performing Waka Waka song for all of you. Let's welcome Miss Geeta Shri. Everyone dance, come on!
You're a good soldier, choosing your battles. When you fall, get up, oh. If you fall, get up, hey, hey. Samina, mina, sangalewa. This is for Bodoland. Samina, mina, hey, hey. Waka, waka, hey, hey. Samina, mina, sangalewa. I know, Samina, mina, hey, hey. Waka, waka, hey, hey. Samina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Bodoland. Everyone dance, come on! This is our motto. You're going to shine, going to light, vemos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Gonna feed them this your moment, no hesitation. It's your day, I feel it. You paved the way, believe it. Take it down, get up, oh, take it down, get up, hey, hey. Stamina, mina, sangale. This is for Bodoland. Stamina, mina, hey, hey. Stamina, mina, sangalewa. I know, I went on my journey, picky, mama, 1, 2, 7. Hearties in the machine, picky, mama, from east to west. Mati, wakawakuma, wakawakuma, Shaggy, swear, Mati, booey. That is Bodoland. Stamina, mina, wakawaka, Stamina, mina, sangalewa. I know,
correctly titled as Bodoland Shakira.
आइए एक बार मिलकर स्वागत करते हैं 12 ग्रेनेडियर्स के जैज बैंड का, जो आपके लिए एक अनोखा मिश्रण पेश करने जा रहे हैं।
के कहीं हमने
These drones जो उड़ा रहा है उसको नीचे
ये
करके फ्लाई पास्ट होने वाला है.
केसरी रंग
I
सजाया
would request drone handlers to kindly get their drones down immediately. Fly past होने वाला है.
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल
Witness the seamless coordination of two cheetah from 667 Army Aviation Squadron, commanded by Colonel P.S. Rathore, Sena Medal, moving in a tactical formation carrying the national flag of India and Durand Cup flag, skillfully maneuvered by the commanding officer himself and Captain Prasanna Kumar, and the second aircraft by Lieutenant Colonel Tushar Sharma and Major Sankshev. Following these in a tactical formation are the two light combat helicopters known as Prachand, which is an agile and potent rotorcraft designed for combat operations in diverse terrains. Led by Lieutenant Colonel Ranveer Grewal and Major Arvinder, and the second one by Lieutenant Colonel Tushar Badane and Major Savid. And last but not the least are the two advanced light helicopters, also known as Dhruv. Leading aircraft is piloted by Lieutenant Colonel H.S. Tanwar and Major Vishal Singh, and the second aircraft by Major Rahul Chaudhary and Major Rakesh Vashish from 206 Army Aviation Squadron, the Indomitables. The Army Aviation Corps has been an integral part of the Kargil War, Operation Pavan, from rescue operations to recce operations. They are deployed in every terrain, be it glaciers or deserts. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself to witness the formidable power of light combat helicopter, also known as Prachand. Watch as the first helicopter dives in for a high-speed attack. Delivering a barrage of TNT rockets onto the target. The light combat helicopter. Following closely, another light combat helicopter strikes the enemy, boldly displaying its aggression. Finally, watch in awe as the last helicopter dives down to the stage,
Jay!
delivering a spectacular and definitive conclusion to this thrilling demonstration. एक अविश्वसनीय पेशकश 12 ग्रेनेड्स के जैज बैंड और हमारे सारे आर्टिस्ट और इंडियन आर्मी एविएशन कोर की तरफ से.
Oh! As we all know that today the match will be between Bodoland FC and NorthEst United FC. I'll read out the names. Jersey number 2, Bilson Demari from Bodoland FC. Jersey number 3, Dansarang Basumatari. Jersey number 4, Wang Boklang Linko. Jersey number 5, Frank Nana Kofi Adote. Jersey number 8, Ningthauza Momocha Singh. Jersey number 9, Benjamin Nana Teche. Jersey number 10, Zo Adido. Jersey number 12, Zakari Mimanda. Jersey number 15, Mithinga Demari. Jersey number 21, Birkhang Demari. Jersey number 27, Arjun Mardi. Substitutes for Bodoland FC. Jersey number 7, Jigyas Deka. Jersey number 11, Sibra Narzari. Jersey number 14, Diliram Sanyasi. Jersey number 17, Jungla Brahmo. Jersey number 18, Samdan Demari. Jersey number 25, Timothy Narzari. Jersey number 35, Ringkhang Demari. Jersey number 37, Rajiv Boro. Jersey number 50, Maneshwar Musahari. We have the team coach for Bodoland FC, Khilan Pirkat Siamle. We have the team manager for Bodoland FC, Zyklong Brahmo. Referee for Bodoland FC, referee number 1, Christopher Claudius Peter. Referee assistant 2, Parmeshwar Gope. Fourth official, Surajit Das. We have the team for NorthEst United FC, jersey number 1, Gurmeet. Jersey number 2, Sairasham Dinesh Singh. Jersey number 3, Rangsepam Tongdoba Singh. Jersey number 5, Hamza Regraki. Jersey number 6, Muhammad Ali Bemamur. Jersey number 9, Guillermo Fernandez Hero. Jersey number 10, Nestor Albiak Roger. Jersey number 11, Parthib Sundar Gogoi. Jersey number 12, Ashir Akhtar. Jersey number 13, Muthu Irulandi, Mai Ayankanan. Jersey number 18, Zitin MS. Jersey number substitutes for NorthEst United FC, jersey number 15, Marcanto Lewis Nixon. Jersey number 16, Ankit P. Jersey number 17, Robin Yadav. Jersey number 19, Widrom Toy Singh. Jersey number 22, Ridim Tlang. Jersey number 23, Beke Oram. Jersey number 26, Konsam Palguni Singh. Jersey number 30, Laishram Danny Maite. Jersey number 32, Mirshad Kutupunna. Jersey number 77, Boang Thaklong Samte. Team coach for NorthEst United FC, Zuan Pedro Ben Ali Hamau. Team manager, Sahashad Muhammad Makingal. Match commissioner, Ravi Shankar Jayaraman. Referee accessor, Rawan Aramugan.
We would like to make a special mention about our sponsors who helped in bringing this 133rd edition of Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024 to grand success. Co-sponsored by SBI, associate sponsor Dabur, Amul and JIS Group. Gifting partner, American Tourister and Cello. Official ball partner, Nivea. Broadcast partner, Sony Sports Network. OTT partner, Sony Live. Ticketing partner, Book My Show. Tournament producer, Cherry Tree. We thank you all for your cooperation.
May I also announce the color of Bodoland FC is yellow. The color for NorthEst United FC is white. Bodoland FC ni thakai gama, ara NorthEast United FC ni thakai gufur.
Now it is time for the moment we all were eagerly waiting for. The kick-off for the opening ceremony of 133rd edition of Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024. But before that, requesting your attention as the three flags, the Eastern Command flag, the Durand Cup flag, and the FIFA Fair Play flag is being carried to the ground along with the team members of today's match.